my garden today. I have a fun project planned for today. We are going to be taking an old bread rack and making it into a trellis. I have been waiting all winter to get it out of the garage, out of storage, and get it spray painted and put together. And today I thought you might like to join me while we get started. Come on. I wish I had started this project sooner because I'm going to take my bread rack trellis and I'm going to put it in the front yard. And then I'm going to take my front yard trellis and move it to the backyard. But the trellis in the front yard currently has a real pretty clematis growing up it, and I don't want to kill the clematis when I take it off the old trellis to put it onto the new bread rack trellis. So I'm gonna have to be real careful about how I do that. I haven't done it before, but it can't be too hard, right? Last summer I got two really inexpensive trellises. I think I got them from Walmart, I can't recall. And I just put them on this corner here in the front yard. And I planted a clematis, which is doing pretty good. It's already started to grow. You can see the green, and you can see how it's beginning to bud on the old vine that is attached to the old trellis. So I'll head back to the backyard where I can get out of the wind while I spray paint the bread rack. The bread rack is just an old thing my husband had for many years, and we used it in the garage for shelving, and he wanted to get it out of there, getting it apart. I said, please stop, save that bread rack for me because I could make that into a really cool trellis. And so we've stored it all winter, and now I'm gonna have a chance to get it spray painted. Take a look. So you can see I have two sides here. These guys were on the side holding up the bread rack, and then the back piece is right there. That's quite large. So I'm actually going to be able to make two trellises out of this one bread rack. I found a nice place on the side of the house where the wind won't blow, and I'm going to get started. Just using some basic paint, nothing special. Okay, while those dry, we're gonna head to the front yard. We're gonna take the clematis off of the old trellis, bring the old trellises back here to the backyard, and then those should be dry so we can start setting those up. All right, here we are with these trellises. Ah, I think I did it. The old trellises there. My husband helped me carry these two side pieces to the front yard so that we could attach them together, and he'll help me as I hold the camera. I like it. I don't mind that I missed a few spots of paint because I think it looks kind of rustic having that gold paint shine through. Next, I will reattach that clematis with these twist ties, and then we'll be about finished. trellis in the ground. I've reattached the clematis to it. As it grows, it'll start reaching out with its own vine, and it'll just grab a hold real nice. And if you have any ideas on what I can plant on my trellises in the backyard, comment below, let me know what you think. Follow along. I've got a lot of fun projects in my little garden here. I've got the 126 tulip bulbs that are about to bloom. I've got these trellises that need to have some plants planted so they can climb up and look pretty for the summer. And stay tuned because I am going to plant these dahlia bulbs and we'll see what they look like when they bloom. If you have planted dahlia bulbs, if you have tulips that are blooming and you have climbing plants on your trellises, go to our Facebook group, Favorite Hobby Gardeners, and post pictures there so we can see your pretty garden too. And I'll see you back here. Keep following along, Favorite Hobby Gardener.